Welcome back to another episode of Ignite Success, where we highlight leaders who are making a big impact and creating that spark of success in this amazing country and worldwide. I'm Morgan Young, and I'm joined today by Diana Perkins with Trading with Diana. Diana, thank you so much for joining.
Thank you for having me.
Yes, so tell me about your training guide and what it is that you do to help people trade stock.
Absolutely happy to. So I'm Diana. I'm founder of Trading with Diana, which is a finance educational platform that's focused on helping both seasoned traders and those completely new to trading build confidence in the stock markets. And in terms of my background, I've been in the finance field for about 20 years. I used to be a professional options trader and licensed CPA. And now through my highly personalized coaching program, I teach everyday people how to trade the markets with confidence and take control of their financial futures.
Amazing. And for a newbie like me, this sounds fantastic because I know very little about trading. But with your guide, it would, I guess, step by step help me become an expert.
Yeah, absolutely. So my flagship program is called my New Trader Program, and it's 6 classes, which essentially takes you from complete novice, never placed a trade, never invested in the stock market, to managing a stock portfolio with confidence. So I teach everything from the trading terminology to reading a stock chart or what we call technical analysis, to managing your risk, the mindset that's needed to succeed in trading, and then bringing it all together to the tactics of opening a brokerage account and putting together an investment plan.
Amazing. And so that's fantastic for people like me. But what about the people who have all the experience, but they really want to fine tune their trading skills? Do you have something for them too?
I do. So as a former trader myself, I do get a lot of people that reach out to me who have dabbled in the markets, or maybe they've been trading for a decade or more, but they feel stuck and they're looking for consistency. Many traders, especially as they start off, they kind of plateau around break even. So I helped those folks break through and really grow their portfolio. And I do that through pinpointing what areas they're struggling with. As examples, for a lot of individuals, it's discipline, finding discipline in the markets. So we'll talk through trading strategies and what those components look like. For others, maybe they're focused on one particular strategy, or they want to broaden out into different asset classes. And so we talk through a more holistic approach to get them past that hump and grow their portfolios that way. So that's one of the things that really makes my program different than what's out there. It's not cookie cutter. It's really a premium service that's highly tailored to the individual's needs based on where they are.
Amazing. And for people who are thinking about trading, afraid of getting into it, where's the first place to start?
I would say first and foremost, educate yourself. Now, there's so much information out there from blogs to YouTube videos, but first I would figure out, okay, what are my goals, right? Is it to grow? Is it to build wealth for my future? Am I near retirement and I want to focus on capital preservation? So first I would start by researching, what's out there. And then when you're ready to start investing in the stock markets, of course, you'll need to open what's called a brokerage account, fund that account, takes about 15, 20 minutes for most brokerages, and then start small. Because when you begin investing, it can feel a little intimidating. So start small and then build your confidence from there.
I love it. So start small. Fantastic. Now, in one word, this is our last question, just to wrap it up. In one word, how would you define success?
Ooh, so success, it does look different, I would say, for everyone. But when it comes to investing and trading the markets, we're doing that for growth, typically. I mean, markets, financial markets, that's where the money is, especially in equities. So I would say growth. I think that's how most people would define success in the stock markets.
Beautiful. I would agree with that. As long as you are growing, you are successful in and of your own way. So I appreciate your time. Thank you so much for joining. And viewers, thank you for tuning in to another episode of Ignite Success. If you want more information on Diana Perkins and trading with Diana, head on over to dailynewsnetwork.com where we have all the info right there. We'll see you in the next episode of Ignite Success.
With Storehouse Media Group, we are an award-winning publisher, and we are everything books. We take an author who wants to write a book, whether it's with a concept and we help flesh it out and develop it, or we will write the book for them, or we edit the book, or we publish the book, and we can market it to bestseller. All of the above. Everything books. That's what Storehouse Media Group is.